Hello everyone, today I would like to show you another product I have bought from banggood.com, and this time it is a portable photography light box, which is this one right here, made by a company PULUZ, and thanks to it you can take much better, much clearer pictures of your small objects like a watch or whatever your miniature hobby might be. And this one came neatly packed inside this bag. Everything was packed very neatly inside, and apart from that, you get the photo box, and you also get a manual, obviously, to show you how to assemble the photo box, because this one doesn't come assembled as it is right now, but it's very easy to assemble. In just a couple of minutes you will have the box I have over here. It's clearly shown in 6 simple steps. Okay, and on the other side we have some information of what you get exactly right there, and also you get 6 different backdrops. As can be seen over here, I have the white backdrop already attached inside the box, and also you get another 5 different colors of backgrounds. Okay, you have the black, the red, the green, yellow and blue. I shall be showing how to attach them in a couple of seconds. But first let me show the lighting this box also has. It has 2 strips of LED lights. One is on the back and one is on the front right there. Okay, which gives you a very good amount of light inside the box. Now, to connect them, you get these 2 cables, which are micro USB. These cables are included with the box, and they are connected over here to a travel adapter with a dual USB output. The travel adapter was not included with the box, but it's a very simple, very cheap adapter, which you simply connect the 2 USBs included with the box and you power it up. Okay, now as you can see, it is connected, very bright light, very good amount of light inside, and I shall be showing how you can attach the backdrops, which is very simple. On the back side you have these 2 hooks, okay, right there, which you simply place the backdrop inside them, and it simply folds on the okay, like this, along the photo box. Okay, simply, if you want to change the color, okay, you simply remove the backdrop you have these 2 holes, simply attach them to the hooks, and you have a photo box with a completely different color. Now, on the upper side we also have this nice feature also, which is a hole on the roof, on the top part of the box, which you are also provided with a cover. Once you remove the cover, you have access to the top part of the photo box. This comes very handful, very useful if you want to take pictures from the upper side of your object. Okay, now my hobby is that of assembling model model car kits. So I shall be placing a wheel I have in the middle of the box. Okay, so you place your object in the middle, and you can either take photograph from the front side, as I'm doing right now, or you can also place your camera lens inside this hole and feel free to shoot from the upper side, where you can zoom and do whatever deems necessary. Okay, that is all from me. you can get your own photo box like this one from the link I shall be attaching in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next.